My question is to the Minister of Training, Colleges and Universities. Earlier this month, Western University mourned the loss of a student who took his own life following the death by suicide of another Western student in November. Speaker, there is a growing mental health crisis on college and university campuses. Western Student Health Services saw a 26% increase in demand for mental health resources between 2013 and 2015. Since February of this year, more than 1,100 Western students have signed an online petition calling for improved student mental health services. The Liberal government's approach to funding campus mental health on a project basis leaves too many Ontario college and university students without adequate mental health support.
Question.
Will the minister commit now to providing long-term, dedicated and stable funding for on-campus mental health services?
Thank you. Minister of Training, College, Universities.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, and I want to thank the member for that question. Mr. Speaker, the health and well-being of students in our facilities and our post-secondary institutions, being universities or colleges or career colleges, is of prime importance for this government. That's why, Mr. Speaker, we have announced assistance to universities and colleges in order to come up with assistance to students. For example, one of those programs in place is Good to Talk program, which we announced last year, to make sure that students will have access 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and 365 days, every day of the year, every moment, access to assistance so that their well-being is met, Mr. Speaker. So we will continue, Mr. Speaker, to work with our partners in post-secondary education system, universities, colleges, to make sure that our students will need and will have those assistance which they will need to succeed, Mr. Speaker. Thank you.
Thank you. Question period is over. The time